to my channel. What's up? Today's video is going to be again another Halloween inspired makeup look. I thought it would be cute if I did a little Halloween series and called it Glamoween. I did not make that up. Hold on. Yeah, so basically let's just get into it. As you guys could already tell, I already have my base on. So all you need is liner. So today I'm gonna be taking the e.l.f. liquid liner in jet black, which is my favorite, and this tattoo liner by Kat Von D. Y'all, like, please do not come for me. I got this as a birthday gift. I don't support her, but like, it's a very precise, like, I can't lie and say this is not a precise liner. This is like, she made several points with this liner. I'm sorry. So I will try to not use this as much, but I just brought it with me because these are the three liners that I own. So yeah, please don't come for me. I'm very fragile. The purpose of this look, I want my liner to be dramatic. So I'm going to be using the tattoo liner, and I'm just gonna make a line, and basically I'm marking how thick I want my liner to be. So like, the purpose of this is like, when I look down, you can still see the liner, and it'll give me like, it would go with the shape of my eye and give me like a sultry look. We are going to switch liners and use the e.l.f. liquid liner and just fill in that space. Okay, so we're basically done. Tutorial over. This is the look. Have a nice day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm joking. We're gonna do the other eye. Now I'm going to be applying glitter on top of the wing liner. I'm going to be taking the NYX glitter adhesive or glitter primer, and I'm going to be applying that to my wings. Okay, oh, that's cute. Okay. My mind. Now I'm going to be taking this dollar store glitter. So we are going to be putting rhinestones, if y'all could see that. It's too bright. Yeah. We're going to be putting rhinestones on our face, because, you know, if it's Halloween, why not add euphoria into this? Euphoria inspired looks. I'm just referencing a picture from one of the makeup artists from Euphoria, seeing where I should apply my little rhinestones. So I'm just gonna mark the area with some lash glue. Oh, she cute. I don't know. Euphoria. HBO, Zendaya. Hire me. So this is where we are at. Before, in the picture that I'm referencing, they also have rhinestones on the lower lash. But before I do that, I wanted to try doing some bottom lashes. So I'm gonna be RIP to my lashes from Moon Girl Cosmetics. But a lash had to be sacrificed today, and unfortunately it's you. Okay, y'all, that is the look. I'm extremely proud of this. It is hot, but your girl stuck through it. Do not what? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.